nail designs are a delightful way to express creativity and add a touch of charm to your fingertips. From playful patterns to whimsical motifs, the world of nail art offers endless possibilities to showcase your personal style. Whether you prefer sweet pastels, vibrant hues, or dainty details, there's a cute nail design to suit every mood and occasion. Let's explore 6 adorable nail designs that are sure to inspire your next manicure adventure. Sure, here are 6 cute and simple nail designs that are perfect for adding a touch of charm to your fingertips. Number 1. Pastel polka dots. Start with a base coat of your favorite pastel nail polish. Once dry, use a dotting tool or a toothpick to create polka dots with contrasting colors such as white, pink, or mint green. Finish with a clear top coat to seal in the design and add shine. Number 2. French tips with a twist. Instead of the traditional white tips, opt for a soft pastel shade like baby pink or light blue. Add a subtle twist by incorporating a thin metallic stripe or glitter line just above the tip. Seal with a clear top coat for a polished finish. Number 3. Floral accents. Start with a neutral base coat to make the floral designs pop. Use a thin nail art brush or toothpick to create simple flower shapes in various colors on each nail. Add a small dot in the center of each flower for detail. Finish with a clear top coat to protect the design and give it a glossy finish. Number 4. Heartfelt delight. Begin with a light pink or nude base coat. Use a toothpick or nail art brush to create small hearts in a contrasting color on each nail. Arrange the hearts in different directions for a playful look. Seal with a clear top coat to ensure your design lasts. Number 5. Dainty stripes. Start with a solid base coat in a soft pastel color like lavender or mint. Use striping tape or a thin nail art brush to create delicate stripes in a complementary shade. Experiment with different angles and thicknesses of the stripes for added interest. Finish with a clear top coat to smooth out any imperfections and lock in your design. Number 6. Fruit salad fun. Begin with a white or light-colored base coat to make the fruit designs pop. Use a nail art brush or toothpick to create simple fruit shapes such as strawberries, watermelons, or pineapples on each nail. Add small details like seeds or leaves using contrasting colors. Finish with a clear top coat for a shiny finish and extra protection. These adorable nail designs are not only easy to achieve, but also perfect for adding a fun and playful touch to your everyday look. Feel free to customize them with your favorite colors and patterns to make them your own. And there you have it, folks. We've explored an array of adorable nail designs perfect for adding a pop of personality to your fingertips. From playful polka dots to charming floral accents, the world of cute nail art is boundless with creativity. So don't hesitate to experiment, get inspired, and let your nails be your canvas for self-expression. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty inspiration. Until next time, keep those nails looking cute and fabulous.